Hello guys, welcome to another video of DaVinci Resolve tutorial. We all love editing videos in DaVinci Resolve, but sometimes it's difficult for some people to add title in timeline. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add titles in DaVinci Resolve 17 with easy and quick steps. I am Tanmay Joshi, you are watching Techstronaut. So without any further delay, let's get started. Currently, I am using DaVinci Resolve 17. Okay, first of all, let's import some media in media pool. Let's import this photo. Just select it and drag it to the main timeline. We can also increase the time duration of this image. Time to add some titles on this image. Go to the effects library and you can see the title section. Here we can have so many options in Fusion titles. We also have some beautiful text animations, but for this tutorial we are gonna select this basic title option. Just select it and drag it above main image. And let's increase its time duration exactly equal to our main image. Select it and go to the inspector tool. Let's rename this title as Beautiful Nature. The key feature of this title is that you can move it anywhere on the screen. Okay, here we have font family, where we got plenty of awesome fonts. We have font space. Let's make it black. We also got the size option, where we can adjust the size accordingly. Let's set it at 134. Below that, we have this tracking option and the line spacing. Let's set it as 30. The best thing about DaVinci Resolve is that it provides the offset options to the text, which gives the shadow effect to our text, which looks very beautiful. Below that, we have stroke background customizations also. Here in settings menu, we got so many customization options for our text. You can change it accordingly. Okay, this was basic text title. If you want some more crazy customizations, you can also go for the text plus style. Okay, let's delete previous text and we will add this text plus title. Select it and drag it to the timeline. Again, let's rename it to the Beautiful Nature. Here we have similar options like basic text, but on the top side we have these crazy customizations options: layout, transform, shading, image and settings. It also have advanced control options. If you want to do something more with your text, just click on this Fusion tab and boom, you will redirect to the Fusion section. That's it for today guys. If you found this content useful, do like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Also, I have made whole playlist on tutorial of DaVinci Resolve 17. So if you haven't checked it already, I will provide link in the description below. I will meet you in the next video. Until the next time, see you.